Hello, I'm Dr. David Powers and welcome to this week's Monday Morning Minute. Hey, today I'm going to show you guys how to use the healing caps when we're temporizing on mini dental implants and on the new mono implants. We have two different size healing caps, one for the mono, one for the traditional MDL. So what you do in both these cases, you'll take the healing cap and snap onto the implants, okay? They're both custom fit for the MDL and also the mono implants. Once they're snapped into place, what we can do is we can take just a composite resin of your choice, and the way I do it is I'll take it and roll it into a ball, and I'll just basically place it right over the top of the implant healing cap, put it right over the top of it, and push it into the undercuts of the adjacent teeth. Then I'll actually shape it up with my flat or plastic instrument. Then I'll have the patient bite down to get the occlusion correct. Then I'll take it and I'll light cure it. And after that, I'll shape it to look like the tooth and adjust the bite. The way these are removed when the patient comes back, you can either use a hemostat to remove it, or you can actually cut them in half and just pop them off like you would a regular temporary. This makes it a lot easier to make your temporaries in the mouth directly rather than relying on a prefabricated type of temporary. If you have any other questions regarding these healing caps, just give Shack & First a call at 888-474-2854. They come in packs of 10, and I use them every day in my practice. Thank you for joining me for this Monday Morning Minute.
Thank you very much, Dr. Powers, for that information on both the O-ball healing cap and the mono healing cap. This week, our special will be on both the mono healing cap and the O-ball healing cap. If you purchase 3 bags, we'll give you the 4th bag free. We'd like to thank everyone who came out to our Beginners Mini Dental Implant course last Friday and Saturday in Buffalo, New York. We had approximately 80 doctors come into Buffalo, and it was a great learning environment. Dr. Shacken did live surgery on Saturday. He did 3 or 4 cases. He even took one of the dentists out of the group and placed a few mini implants on her. We hope she's doing well, which we know she is. And he also did 3 or 4 other cases. So it was a great learning environment. We also did a hands-on segment, and we also taught a little bit about our CT cone beam, the Generate. So if you haven't been to one of our courses, especially a beginner's course, if you wanted to get started doing this, check us out on shackandfirst.com or call 1-888-4SHACKN and come pay us a visit in Buffalo. We'd love to see you. Our final course in Buffalo this year will be on November 18th, 19th, and 20th. It's a Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and it's going to be one of our advanced courses. The advanced course is full of educational material, and anybody who's real serious about placing these mini implants and have questions that need to be answered, it's a great time to come out to Buffalo. On the 18th and 19th, we'll be doing lecturing, and Dr. Shacken will do a full day of live surgery on Friday. On Saturday, the 20th, Dr. Matthew LaSorsa will be doing a problem-solving course. It's going to go from 8 in the morning till 5 in the afternoon. So you can grab about almost 23, 24 hours of CE. So it's a great way to grab your CE, and it's a great thing to do. Come out and listen to these doctors who have tremendous amount of experience with mini dental implants teach you what they know. So on December 3rd and December 4th, we'll be down in Orlando, Florida, at one of our mini dental implant centers of America. Dr. Matthew LaSorsa will be having a LPRF course on Friday, December 3rd. He will be doing live surgery. Dr. Todd Shacken's going to be coming down with us. He's going to give a little lecture as well. But the majority of the day will be LPRF bone grafting and how beneficial it is when you're placing implants. And the bone grafting, we've never seen anything like it. If you haven't been exposed to LPRF and you want to learn from one of the greatest instructors, I would highly recommend coming down to Matthew LaSorsa's course on December 3rd. So the Shacken brothers will be down in Matt's dental office with us. On Saturday, Todd's brother Samuel will be giving a full day on Botox and fillers. So come down and see us in Florida on December 3rd and 4th. If you want to register for the course, just call Shacken First at 1-888-4SHACKN, or you can sign up online at shackandfirst.com. And we really look forward to seeing you both in Buffalo and down in Orlando. And we hope you have a great week placing mini dental implants. Any questions, give Shacken First a call. We have the answers.